Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75 and in this video I am going to show you how to check phone model on this device. Alright, so to do this, first we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down to the About Phone option. And now we have to click on device details, and right here is model of our device. So that's it, that's how you check phone model. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!